Hello, welcome to our video about how to invest in Euronext Paris. Euronext Paris is the main stock exchange in France and one of the largest in Europe, with over 1,300 listed companies. It is a platform for investors to buy and sell stocks, bonds, funds, and other financial assets. Euronext Paris is regulated by the Autorité des Marchés Financiers (AMF) of France and offers access to companies in various sectors, including technology, healthcare, energy, finance, and more. Investing in Euronext Paris can be an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their investment portfolios and seeking long-term growth opportunities. Additionally, Euronext Paris offers a variety of trading tools, including online trading platforms, which make stock investing accessible for investors of all experience levels. However, as with any investment, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing in Euronext Paris. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to invest in Euronext Paris and provide some important tips for beginner investors. Let's start with the first step, which is to open a reliable brokerage account. Firstly, open a brokerage account. The first step to investing in Euronext Paris is to open a brokerage account. There are several brokers available in the market that offer access to Euronext Paris. It is important to choose a reliable and regulated broker. Be sure to research the fees, commissions, and services offered before choosing your broker. Some brokers that offer access to Euronext Paris include 1. Interactive Brokers. It is a popular broker among investors looking for access to various international exchanges. The broker offers access to Euronext Paris with a wide range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. 2. TD Ameritrade. It is an American broker that offers access to Euronext Paris for its international clients. The broker offers an easy-to-use trading platform and various analysis tools to help investors make informed decisions. 3. Charles Schwab. It is another American broker that offers access to Euronext Paris, as well as other international exchanges. The broker offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, options, and mutual funds, and also provides market analysis tools to help investors make informed decisions. 4. DEGIRO. It is a European broker that offers access to various international exchanges, including Euronext Paris. The broker is known for its low and affordable fees, which can be attractive to investors looking to reduce trading costs. 5. Saxo Bank. It is a European broker that offers access to a wide range of international exchanges, including Euronext Paris. The broker offers an easy-to-use online trading platform, as well as market analysis tools to help investors make informed decisions. It is important to research and compare the different brokers before choosing the most suitable one for you and your investment needs. Additionally, remember to check if the chosen broker offers support for trading stocks on Euronext Paris, as well as what are the fees and commissions charged. The second step to investing in Euronext Paris is to check your broker's funding requirements. Check how much money you will need to open an account and what funding options are available to you. Some brokers may require a minimum deposit to start investing, while others may have more flexible funding requirements. Make sure you have enough money in your brokerage account to buy stocks. It is important to remember that you will need to take into account brokerage fees and other expenses associated with the investment. Check with your broker what the brokerage fees are for trades on Euronext Paris and whether there are other expenses involved, such as custody fees, currency conversion fees, or taxes. In addition, it is important to remember that investing in stocks can be risky and you should be prepared for potential losses. Before investing, make sure you fully understand the risks involved and consider speaking to an investment professional for personalized financial advice. Step 3. Research companies. Just like with any investment, it is important to research companies before investing in Euronext Paris. There are many companies listed on the Paris Stock Exchange, so be sure to select those that meet your investment criteria. Check the company's performance history, financial health, and business plan. In addition, it is important to research the sector in which the company is operating and check whether it is growing or declining. Check the competition in the industry and whether the company has a competitive advantage over its competitors. It is also important to analyze the quality of the company's management, its dividend history, and its corporate governance. There are several sources of information available to assist you in your research, such as company financial reports and announcements, financial news websites, stock analysis websites, and market research platforms. Be sure to gather information from multiple sources to make a thorough and informed analysis of the company. It is important to remember that no investment is completely safe and there are always risks involved. Therefore, make sure to have a risk management strategy in place when investing in Euronext Paris. Step 4. Place your purchase order. Once you have selected the companies you want to invest in, it's time to place your purchase order. Your broker should have an online trading platform where you can enter your buy orders. Make sure to enter the company's ticker correctly and specify the number of shares you want to buy. In addition, it's important to choose the type of order you want to make. There are two main types of orders: market order and limit order. A market order is executed immediately, at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. Make sure to carefully review all the information before submitting the order. Check that the quantity of shares and the price are correct and that you have sufficient funds in your brokerage account. After submitting the order, the broker will execute the transaction as soon as possible. Remember that the stock market can be volatile and stock prices can fluctuate rapidly. It's important to monitor your investments regularly and be aware of the risks involved. Step 5. Monitor your investments. After making your purchase, it's important to monitor your investments. Check the performance of the stocks you bought regularly. Remember that stock investments can be volatile, so keep your long-term investment goal in mind. Monitoring your investments is essential to ensure that you are on the right track to achieve your investment objectives. Euronext Paris offers a wide range of tools and resources that can help you monitor your investments. Additionally, your broker may also provide valuable information about the performance of the stocks you purchased. One of the best ways to keep track of your investments is through an online portfolio. Many brokerages offer an online portfolio that allows you to see all of your investments in one place. You can see the current value of your stocks, your current profit or loss, and other important information about your investments. Additionally, it's important to stay up to date on news and events related to the companies in which you have invested. Keep an eye on news about the company, the industry it operates in, and the financial market in general. This information can help you make informed decisions about your investments. Remember that investing in stocks is a long-term journey. While it may be tempting to constantly track the performance of your stocks, it's important to maintain a long-term perspective and have patience. Regularly monitoring your investments can help you make adjustments when necessary and stay on track to achieve your long-term investment goals. Investing in Euronext Paris can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to the European market. Remember to choose a reliable and regulated brokerage, research companies carefully before investing, and regularly monitor your investments. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment-related content.